Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride our 1971 Chevy Camaro hardtop. Of course, you know the second generation is just as popular as the rest. Even so, if you know it from 21 Jump Street, maybe you had one back in the past, but now you can have your very own right here and have all kinds of fun with it. Going to the one we have here featuring that cool blue exterior, followed by the SS Super Sport stripes as you see from the top. You will also see that it does have the 4-inch cowl induction hood to really add a little bit more meanness to the Camaro. Of course, a lot of times with these second generation, you can get varied types of options, which include the split bumper or the regular bumper like the one we have here. But a lot of times, we don't really care about it. The way you guys see it is that you own the automobile, nobody else does, and a lot of ways you'll see it, you'll definitely have a lot more fun with the Camaro itself. But even so, with its single headlights in the front, dual taillights in the back, having the really cool spoiler from the second generation in the back, it really does make the car pop. Unlike the first generation, where a lot of times you could see that it was just a bolted on spoiler. But as we move on to the inside, you will see it does feature a 4-speed manual transmission. You will see that it does have the appropriate style console, followed by the twin vinyl bucket seats. Even so, as our cluster here, you can see it's pretty straightforward. A lot more to offer than the original Camaros, as you can see. Wind speedometer, tachometer, all needle gauges from fuel gauge, amps, oil pressure, and temperature. But even so, nicest thing about this particular Camaro is even from their manuals to automatics, they always had an indicator here. Sometimes they would switch it from an automatic to a manual and leave the indicator there. But as you can see, it is very appropriate, done right. Even so, having the tilt column, which is a very nice feature to have with your old school automobile. But even so, having the appropriate SS wheel with a working horn. As you can see, even in the back, we have back seat, a lot of room for your friends, family, whoever you'd like to take in your 71 Chevy Camaro, followed by the appropriate lap style belts. Even so, if you want to have a cool vibe going on, you got an aftermarket radio here, which really could put up a good sound. But a lot of times it's not about just the audio, but the sound of the car itself, which does take us to the engine bay featuring that 396 big block. Of course, it's very nice to see a big block in an old school Camaro. A lot of times the people just like the small block because it fits better, rides better, but of course the big block is the true powerhouse of the Chevy Camaro, which even so, as you look at the one here in the videos and the photos, you'll see it has a very stock style setup with its valve covers and air cleaner. Even so, you will see that it has some upgraded headers, but yet again, it comes with factory style AC, so you are getting the perfect kind of ride you are looking for. Even so, right now, shifting through the gears, the clutch feels good, shifting is good, there are no grinding, no problems at all. But even so, right now, you can see just riding the road very nice and neat here. Do not know what's going on here, but we can give you actually a bit of a brake test from it. Oh, that's exactly what it is. People always ruining the fun of the ride. But yet again, you can take this fine ride home today if you really want to buy it. But of course, please make sure to check skywayclassics.com. Take a look at the YouTube channel, our Instagram page, all the cool stuff you can get. But as for now, though, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.